Alright, ladies and gentlemen, now welcome back to this platform, Prince TV. If this is your first time to come across, what you do now to subscribe to the platform so that you go to see our updates, how things they happen. We're going to drop and wanna see how things they go for the Italian side now. So because like this now, so the vice senate president for the Italian parliament don't call her change for the Matteo Salvini. In the talk say the rate at which Salvini they disturb this health minister where they call Roberto Speranza. Those of you who never know the health minister, now be this one that they see for board now. So say the way when Matteo Salvini they disturb this man every time, say it not make sense. Why Matteo Salvini go there every time front to the disturb ministers against immigrants, against different kind of things? Say he own too much. Guy, when I see the update now, say on I must hear this one. When I know say as it has been also, the man when they come Matteo Salvini, he never still rest. He still there against many things. Person when be health minister where they try to kind of like do things in a way when he go take the okay, he go just come, he go stand against all of them. Say now be the baba, now get the whole say for Italy. So because you know say him and the Giorgia Meloni they come they drag say this night curfew they need to remove them so that as for that 10 o'clock people go still there outside they do any other thing when they want to do so. Now waiting that they drag he can they say this Roberto Speranza he not they capable to be the health minister of Italy. The woman will be like say now attack him now so will be the vice president of the senate and be this lady one that they see for board now so man given at the statement when he give Matteo Salvini. He said the vice president of the senate list the statement of the North League on the minister after the league today voted against the non-confidential motion. Non-confidential motion for this Roberto Speranza. So guys, you get many articles where be like say you follow this matter, una no go know how it take this serious. He pay me say they not bring out the video and for display give una more than see how this lady take attack Matteo Salvini because every time this man feel say maybe now be the champion of Italy. Anything when he be like say now me talk, now so it go take happen. But this lady call it and no say no. Say the rate at which it they disturb the Italian government might make it be like say every time the government go they break up and down, make it stay one side, face in own career. You understand? So now waiting this particular lady when they see for board now, so don't call her change for Matteo Salvini. It come blast Matteo Salvini, not be smart thing, guy. As I see the thing, it comes sweet with our body because every time this man try to always take the front foot, make it be saying I be the best. So guys, now update for now to still no say yes. He still get some people where therefore inside the Italian parliament where they still a kind of like they challenge Matteo Salvini. So now so the matter to be now it's a man let on know how it did happen. So without wasting time, we'll go straight to the next article, we'll see how it did happen. Prince TV. Alright guys, this particular article when I want to drop for here, now for people today careful because you know say as we dey for the European side we always think that the security dey 100%. Guys, now go still get them for mind say everybody need to dey careful as you dey move. You go watch your front and back. Anything can happen at any time. This Europe one I see so it gets some terrorists where like say they still dey inside. So may we not feel say because we dey for the European side, that is to state that the security dey 100%. No, the security not dey 100%. We still need to use our own kind of like brain to observe anywhere where we dey go because tragedy story don't happen for Italy where like say one 30-year-old Mali they injured based on this particular story. When I'll give you, I'm gonna see how it did happen because sometimes anything can come from place where like say you not expect. This is a very tragedy story. With the article now go understand what I try to explain for this place now. Early Monday morning, April 26th, 3 African migrants who were returning home in their car after having spent an evening with some friends who live in Borgo Mezione settlement became the target of an attack by unknown people who shot an air gun from an off-road vehicle. So guys, if we dey move, like I said before, we have to be very much careful because there are some terrorists wey be like say they for this Italy, you no go know. So it's an update. Mona for still know how all these things they happen. Say for the Italy side, it gets some terrorists wey be like say they still dey on. You understand? So anywhere where you dey go, make you for dey careful, know how you take dey run your things. If you dey waka, you look your front, you look your back, and then most especially at night, guys, make we dey careful, because I know say most people sef they no even dey lock door dey sleep, because we state that we dey for the Europe, say everywhere dey secured. Guys, we have to still secure ourselves, because anytime can be 6 o'clock and then anything can happen at any time. So without wasting time, we'll see the last article where we get for now, so we'll see how it happen.
Prince TV.
It is very sharp to still let you know say the Italian government, they have still a kind of like a rescued about 100 immigrants arriving from Libya, you understand? Because of that tragedy, will be like say don't happen. Maybe now they don't put more efforts, so they are able to be rescuing immigrants. And something like say it makes sense. Mark giving the article very fast. He said Italian Coast Guard rescue 100 people from stranded fishing boats. You understand? All right, listen. He said the Italian Coast Guard has helped an overcrowded fishing boat of Italy that was struggling in high waves and strong winds. The vessel and its more than 100 passengers, including children, was towed to a port in Calabria, southern Italy, where it arrived Sunday afternoon. So guys, it is a good update there. Mona for still know how all these things still happen, that you know the Italy so now they still they try to rescue immigrants when they come for the Libyan side. Not like the one like say it happened, maybe like say about 1:30 can still miss just like that. So guys, we thank God that they were able to rescue these people, and then we pray that God should give them the strength to continue to rescue our brothers and sisters that is coming from the Libyan side. So now updates for now they know all these things, how things still happen. Updates I have for you for now. If you be like say never subscribe to this platform, you try to subscribe, hit the like button, and then share out the video so that people go still see how things stay the place. So till next time again, we be together. Ciao.